Check out this 2013 Toyota Avalon Hybrid Limited. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are air-conditioned seats, leather trim tilt telescopic steering wheel, rear backup camera, blind spot monitor with rear cross traffic alert, rear window defogger with timer, display audio 6.1-inch touchscreen, premium HDD navigation with Intune, washer-linked intermittent windshield wipers, and USB and iPod connectivity. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.